In this video, we are going to see how we can record a simple credit sales invoice against a customer of a single item in Zoho. So on 12th of January, we have the credit sales to Mr. Walter of previous rear lights. The quantity is 10, rate is 280, and let's book that. So from the top right corner, we have the quick create option. Just click on the invoices from the sales area. Customer name is Walter. Invoice number, we will keep the default numbering setup since we don't have any invoice number mentioned here. The transaction date is 12th of January. It's due on receipt. Subject, you can mention any subject. Let your customer know what this invoice is for. So this is basically to notify the customer, and you can mention the details about it. So for example, if we just want to copy this same narration like this, paste it here, we can do that. Item details is we are selling previous rear lights. Quantity is 10, rate is 280. Quantity is 10, rate is 280, and this makes the total to 2800. Just check it once to make sure that everything is okay before saving. You can add terms and conditions and all the other stuff. And after that, just click on this arrow, save and send later. Or you can click on save and send as well to make sure it is recorded, not as a draft invoice, but as a send invoice. Save and select, send, just scroll down and send from the bottom. And now it is saved. If you want to check the journal entry effect, on the three dots, just click here and click on view journal. And here it is. It might take some time to upload, so you can check later on, but this is how you can book the customer invoice. You can go to the customer to check the total balance. Just click on Walter, and now the balance is 17,800. Let's go to the transactions. So this is the transactions shown right here. So that's how we book the credit sales invoice in Zoho. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.